What are temperature controls? Hello, and welcome to Ship's Tech Talk. In today's video, we'll be talking about temperature controls, what they are, how they work, and why they're important. Temperature controls are common equipment used in ship machinery to activate or deactivate systems based on temperature. This device is also referred to as a thermostat and thermoregulator. Let's start with the basics. A temperature control is a device that helps maintain the temperature of a system within a desired range. It achieves this by monitoring the temperature and then switching the system or machinery between on and off positions to make adjustments to heating or cooling in order to maintain the target temperature. Main types. Now, there are different types of temperature controls, and they work in slightly different ways. The main types include mechanical temperature controls and electronic temperature controls. Mechanical temperature controls use physical components like bimetallic strips or bellows to respond to temperature changes. Electronic temperature controls use sensors and digital circuits to monitor and adjust the temperature. Today, we'll focus on mechanical temperature controls. It is PENNA 9 series, SPDT temperature control. SPDT stands for single pole, double throw, meaning this control has one input terminal but two output terminals. It can switch between two different circuits. How does it work? Well, the A9 temperature control series has a sensing element that detects temperature changes. Once the temperature goes above or below the set point, the control will switch its internal mechanism to either turn the heating or cooling system on or off. This way, it keeps the temperature where it needs to be. As an example, this temperature control can turn on the compressor of an air conditioning system at a set temperature like 25 Celsius and turn it off at a set temperature like 16 Celsius. Main parts. The main components of these temperature controls are the sensing element, switching mechanism, and the setting dial. Sensing element. This is usually a bulb filled with gas or liquid that expands or contracts with temperature changes. Switch. This is the SPDT mechanism that changes between circuits. These switching components are located inside this enclosure. I will provide a video in the future to demonstrate the interior of this enclosure. Set point dial. This lets you adjust the desired temperature range. Applications. In terms of applications, temperature controls like the PENNA 9 series are used in many industries. You'll find them in HVAC systems, refrigeration, and even in industrial machinery, helping to protect equipment and keep environments comfortable. That wraps up our look at temperature controls and the PENNA 9 series, SPDT temperature control. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Ship's Tech Talk for more technical insights on equipment used in ships and other industries.